All right, so now we would like to show you a little bit how to charge certain objects and copy frequencies in the quantum block. So while you can charge objects in the infinity block as well with quantum energy, and it'll be actually a higher vibration and more quantum energy that you can get into objects with the infinity block than with the quantum block, and you can also copy frequencies in the infinity block. The frequency copying is way, way easier in the quantum block than in the infinity block, because the infinity block is so strong that you literally, you should only have about a 10 to 15 seconds frequency transfer at max, and then you should take the object out already. So with the quantum block, you're not so constrained in watching the time. You have a little bit more time. It's a little easier. The infinity block is just so strong, it potentiates whatever substance you have in there. If it's charged, it's sort of getting a homeopathic dose that gets so high in its vibration that we don't know what the power is anymore if you leave it in there for 20 seconds or whatever in the infinity block. So with quantum frequency medicine, we don't recommend the infinity block, we recommend the quantum block. And that's also one of the reasons why there are even two different products. And now we show you actually how to copy a frequency. It's very, very simple. So let's say we have a blank aluminum card. This one may not be blank here, but it doesn't matter for this purpose. So you can take an aluminum card, you could take a capsule, you can take a little sphere, you can take pretty much anything. We recommend metals though. And then you figure, okay, I want to have this as the frequency carrier, and what frequency do I want to use? Let's say, for example, mango, right? So for whatever reason, if mango was now a healing fruit, in some ways it may actually be very helpful for the body, then we could just charge the frequency of the mango onto this card. And the way we do it is we put both inside. We look at the watch and give it at least 30 seconds up to 60 seconds of time. And we wait. The frequency is copying right now. It's actually true that right now, unless the mango would have been charged prior already in the quantum block, now also the frequency of this card is also copying into the mango. So it's always going both ways. You can prevent that by just charging the object already prior in the quantum block. So in this case, the target object is the card. So that one you should not charge in the quantum block before. Otherwise it's sort of sealed and you can't get anything in it anymore. But the mango is something where you're like, okay, maybe I really don't want to have this metal signal in the mango afterwards. So just put the mango in there for 60 seconds prior and then add the card. And then you will just basically transport the frequency of the mango into the card. And now we're basically done. It was actually almost a little bit too much, taking this out. And we can leave the card in there for another minute and a half, 2 minutes, so that it's like 3 minutes, because then the card will be fully sealed and you wouldn't get another frequency in there even if you put it in the quantum block later. So you could use it as the mango frequency in the future. If you ever wanted to have a mango frequency, let's say in this water here we wanted the mango frequency, it's actually pretty easy. We can then add this water glass to this, and within 30 seconds the mango frequency will be in the water. It's quite fascinating. You don't have to worry about the metal actually. So people often don't realize what frequency really is, and first of all, anything harmful in terms of frequency is being neutralized in the quantum block. and the metal here is just something that is completely neutralized in its form, and it's just there as a signal. It's not like, I mean, you wouldn't want to ingest or eat metal, obviously, but having just the signal of it in the water isn't harmful at all. Like, there's literally nothing about it. But at the same time, now you have the mango frequency in there, and the frequency of a mango is something completely different, and it's actually quite nourishing. And now we're done with this. We can take also this card out here and drink the water with the mango frequency. Now, that was an example of what you can do, but you could take, let's say, your 10, 15 favorite supplements, for example, charge your card with that, leverage the card and have it with you. You can, charge it in your water, and it's very simple, and basically the same process. Let's take this one here as an example. This is called Brain Formula. It's a nice supplement for brain function and support and everything, and for the eyes, a lot of vitamin B in here. If this was a new card now, let's say an empty card, just put it in with this supplement, wait 30 to 60 seconds, and then the card would be charged with the supplement. You can build your own library with that, right? It's very, very simple, easy to do, and yeah, that's pretty much it.